Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying the fixture is dead with a voltage tester. This prevents shock and lets you work confidently. Next, remove the old cover and unscrew the fixture base while supporting its weight so it won't fall. Once exposed, inspect the junction box and note wire colors and any connectors. Take a quick photo if you need reference. Make sure you have wire nuts and the mounting bracket from the new fixture ready before proceeding. You now remove the old fixture entirely and prepare the new mount. First, untwist wire nuts and separate the black hot, white neutral, and ground. Keep track of any extra travelers. Then secure the new mounting bracket to the electrical box, confirming the box is rated for the fixture's weight so it won't sag. Once the bracket is solid, strip about 1/2 inch of insulation where needed and position the fixture so wires reach comfortably without strain before making connections. You connect matching wires, black to black, white to white, green or bare to ground, and twist on wire nuts, then wrap with electrical tape for extra security if desired. Once connected, tuck wires neatly into the box, attach the fixture to the bracket, and secure the decorative cover. After that, restore power at the breaker and test the light and switch. If it doesn't work or flickers, turn power off and recheck connections, tightness of wire nuts, and that the breaker/troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.